I am older in Reway Philippines than most. In fact, my husband and I, Eric Chok, Team Supreme Pegasus 1, let's give him a big, big hand of applause. You know, if not for his decision to come here to the Philippines back in 2015, we would not have such a big Filipino group with the help of Raymond Tong and Alan Tana. So congratulations to these three musketeers who really fought blood, sweat, and tears para mabuo ang Reway Philippines for the Filipino market. No? So being 8 years here already, marami na tayong napagdaanan. No? Marami na tayong na-realize, marami na rin tayong na-meet na iba-ibang klaseng tao. And so, since you're still thinking, you're still processing, will I give it my all? How much am I willing to risk? Will I put my last pesos in this investment? Kaya ko ba isa lang ang kapal ng mukha ko to sell Pure Tear dahil I feel deep in my heart na hindi ako mapapahiya and this might really help them come 10, 20 years from now. Kaya ko ba lahat yan gawin? Those are the things that I want to talk about today, no? I would like to give justice to your decision to promote Pure Tear. Carrie?
Yes.
Okay. But before that, may kwento muna ako. Okay, kwento tayo para mas may impact ang sharing natin ngayon. Okay. A couple of hundreds of years ago, the Chinese built the Great Wall of China. And they built this for the sole purpose of wanting to have peace. The intention was good. However, 100 years after building the tallest, biggest, longest man-made infrastructure across China, they were threatened, they were attacked, and neighboring countries cast war on them. So much more before they built the Great Wall of China. It attracted chaos. And you know what was funny? The infantry, the battalions, didn't even have to climb the Great Wall of China. They do not have to go all the way up. They pass through the doors of the Wall of China. So, how was this? Because the guards, the people who are tasked to man the gate of the Great Wall of China was easily bribed. They were bought, they were blackmailed, they were given food. And so entry and to conquer China from within became so easy. To destroy a civilization, ladies and gentlemen, you would have to destroy the character of one single person. You do not have to break down the Great Wall of China. Just destroy the people from within, and the entire empire will come tumbling down. Palakpakan naman natin ang story. And so, if character was so important, can it build a nation? Kanina, I was listening to Miss Vivian. I first heard her in Pampanga. And boy, talagang namangha ako kasi may pagka-mestiza siya eh. Talagang nakaka-starstruck na yung mukha niya, pero the depth of wisdom and intelligence and the content of her sharing was really high. And And so when she was talking earlier, ang tumatak talaga sa isip ko, patriotism. How much do you love your country to stay? How much do you care for each and everyone to build the economy from scratch? And how much opportunity are you willing to take? Because I'm telling you right now, Riway can build the economy of the Philippines.
Yes.
You know, I'm not just saying this because I'm one of the leaders in this industry. I'm saying this dahil galing ako ng BIR. Most leaders in Riway are BIR compliant. You have to have your own official receipt. And you have to have a certificate of registration that you are a sales agent of Riway, and depending on your income, you would either be categorized as VAT-able, pwede ka bang i-tax, or are you non-VAT? Pag non-VAT ka, medyo beginner pa lang yung income natin. It will range from 5 to 8%. I will be very practical with my sharing right now kasi ramdam ko na yung motivation nyo. Pero may pagdadaanan kayo and I'm preparing you sa pagdadaanan nyo. And this tax compliance is one thing that you have to master. And so non-VAT is about 5 to 8%, provided your commission is below 3 million. And it is your choice whether you want to be registered as non-VAT. Okay? Pero darating ang time that your income, I will walk to emphasize gaano kalaki ang income nyo. There will come a time that your income will be more than 3 million per annum. And then now you have to be upgraded, converted from non-VAT into VAT-able. Okay? But what's the benefit of being VAT-able? It means that you have to pay about 10 to 12% tax to the government, to BIR, a slightly higher bracket, but you can declare expenses. And BIR will return however much you paid for VAT. How do I know? Because I had a refund of $250,000 today. So I urge you as responsible leaders, I urge you to really explain to your future distributors that you will be the bloodline of Riway Philippines. Kayo talaga ang makikinabang and generations after you. How do I know this? Because ladies and gentlemen, I come from a very typical family. I come from a very typical OFW family. Back in the early 1980s, my father, who is a mathematician, an actuarial scientist, was offered a teaching job in Brunei. Okay? And when he reached Brunei, the Ministry of Education said, do you want to bring your family? Do you want to bring your wife? Your children? In Brunei, we give you free housing, free tuition fee, free travel allowance, free gasoline, free car, and everything is free, including hospital admittance and gamot. The last one was what prompted my father to take the offer to become an OFW. My mother, at 18 years old, was dying from an autoimmune disease called lupus. It was so aggressive. At 18, her kidney was 25% functional, stage 3 chronic renal damage. And so my father, my mother was just 18, my father was 32. Kung medyo nagulat kayo dyan, my husband is 70, I'm 39. So, huwag kayo masyadong magulat. So, but for the love of my mother, talagang kinagat ng father ko ang offer to work in Brunei para libre ang paggamot sa nanay ko. Fast forward 40 years after, did you know that my father has no savings because all of us were living in dollars? The cost of living was in dollars. And so, other than the ancestral house that he was able to buy, there was nothing. And the sad part, being an OFW, walang GSIS, walang SSS, walang pag-ibig. Hindi naman mandatory yan pag OFW ka eh. Voluntary yan. And how many OFW are voluntarily doing that religiously? The opportunity that is being presented to you right now, kung papagpiliin ka, pumunta sa ibang bansa or manatili dito sa Pilipinas and to run the market for the Filipinos is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and something that you should really, really consider. Bakit? Bakit? Let's talk about product. Let's talk about product. I'm sure you like it when I talk about product coming from a medical field. Hindi kayo ipapahiya ng Pure Tear. Hindi talaga. Especially when you're able to position it properly. Now, there are many supplements out in the market, but none like Pure Tear where almost everything is inside. Have you heard of drug analogs? These are molecular structures or molecules in organics, in plants. Ang tawag ng DOH dyan ay halamang gamot. I'm sure you've heard of it. 10 halamang gamot. Tawi-tawi, ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, tawa-tawa. Yun, tawi-tawi, just go. But, pumarak! Okay, you see, from the beginning of time and thousands of years ago, the medicines were extracted from organics. For example, opium. Okay, opium. I'm sure you've heard of opioids drug, painkillers.
Yes.
Tramadol, morphines, no? So these are actually extracted from opium or poppy seeds. No? Have you heard of aspirin? Yung pangpalagnaw ng dugo para better circulation. May mga sakit sa puso ang nagtitake niyan. Para mas dumaloy, hindi mag-clot, hindi mag-stroke. No? This aspirin, an analog of that is an evening primrose, which is in our Pure Tear. Did you know steroids? Steroids which battle inflammation for any known diseases. The analog of that is nucleoclavin, an very, very strong anti-inflammatory, minus the side effect. And many other more na hindi ko lang kayang i-lay out sa inyo, pero someday maybe when I do a product presentation, I'll be more than happy to break down. But pag-aaralin nyo talaga at makugoogle nyo naman yan, kahit nas doon sa libro na kulay-pula, the Maroon Book, if you will read it carefully and thoroughly, the explanation is actually very, very on point. Just learn and study puretear.com, study the Maroon Book, study the Rich and Famous. You will survive the market in Pure Tear. You have to learn to explain it. That's the difference between you and Lazada.
Yes. Yes.
You know, again, I will take up the time in here to explain online selling because a lot are threatened by online market. But you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Do you know why? May mga nakilala ako na pagbukas ng capsule, At ito legit pina-NBI at may screenshot ako. Walang laman ang capsule. And may nakita ko right in front of me asking for an interchange. Gustong makipagpalit sa akin ng bote. Sabi ko, saan mo binili? Shopee. Cut one of the capsule, I will replace it. Pag-cut namin ng capsule, yellow fluid na malabnaw ang lumabas. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not buy from online. Because if anything happens, you are liable for the health and safety of your patient dahil ikaw ang naglako.
Yes.
Pero pag binili mo yan sa Reway, you have the company to back you up. And you have people like us, top leaders, that you can actually capitalize and borrow strength from pag pinanghihinaan ka na ng loob. Tama or tama?
Tama.
Dito kami for you. You know, I actually just Daisy Tura, ha? Hindi na ko pa naman yan. Happy birthday, Helen Don. Happy birthday, Tan Buen Viaje. Palakpakan naman natin sila, Ben. So, ladies and gentlemen, maliban sa health risk, I had a client. Alam mo yung Bacolod, mga old rich, yung mga talagang plantation kings, di ba? Mga drug. So the Bacolod people are actually very rich, some of them, especially the ones who own plantations. Now, during the pandemic, especially during the transition from P5 to P6, they were ordering from online. Ilan sa kanila, ang order nila from Lazada never arrived and the store closed. And so, what is your choice? The moment you did your OPP, your product presentation, you should already be transparent with them. You can take this product online, but we cannot guarantee the safety, the efficacy, the potency, and we cannot help you in case something happens. But if you buy from me, we can work together. The next purchase, the discount may be from 10% up to 70%, depending on how big your group has become. And you will be business partners for life. Alam niyo ba that the leaders I have in 2015, 8 years ago, are the same leaders that I have right now. Palakpakan natin ang Team Eric. And so, and every time, nakakataba talaga ng puso. You know, nakakataba ng puso when they thank you, when you can feel the sincerity and gratitude that you have introduced Pure Tear to them dahil nag-iba talaga ang kanilang direction, nag-iba ang financial standing nila, and overall as a person, kitang-kita mo yung pagbabago as they adapt to the core values of Reway. And that enough, you know, if kunin man ako ni Lord, that enough, I can tell St. Peter, may natulong ako sa community. So ladies and gentlemen, you will always encounter issues like this in Google. Never believe what you read entirely in Google, because there will always be two sides in every story. Okay? Marami kayong nakabasa ng FDA? Yeah, FDA. That was back in 2018, during Pure Tier 5 transition to Pure Tier 6. Ladies and gentlemen, there's an easy explanation in there. It was very, very human nature. Distributors were eager to make a sale, and websites are not allowed. But they created personal websites to do online selling, which is not allowed. Because exaggeration and hype are unregulated. Until such time na manotice sila ng FDA. FDA simply said, just change how you advertise it, the words that you use, and bring down this personal website. Okay tayo, walang problema sa Pure Tear. It's properly registered, and the product is permitted to commercialize in the Philippines. Walang problema. But how many of you have taken the time to clarify that with your town leader? You should. You should. Because we have had that experience before you. May alam kami. That is why you always consult with the people above you. Aim to make partnership and long-term relationship with the people who work together with you, and you will run the business a lot more smoother. Chances are na pagdaanan na namin yan. Tama?
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as an ending speech, I don't want to take too much of your time. To build a character, we have the Reway Philippines logo to guide us. Ang goal natin dito, hindi lang yumaman, hindi lang magkaroon ng financial freedom. Pero I'm telling you right now, a lot of my distributors, pag mag-grocery yan, tanungin mo kung magkano yung suka, hindi nila alam kung magkano because they don't check the price. Diretso, grocery, bag lang yan. So, financial freedom is a big thing. But, to build a character of a person, their family must be intact. They must know how to socialize well together. Kahit hindi tayo magkakagrupo, pero we can work together to bring Philippines to the number 1 in the entire market. So you need to learn how to socialize. You need to have a very strong, matured, right thinking. Many things outside will bring you down, but not as strong as your own mind. Minsan, sarili mong utak and overthinking can bring you down. You have to fight your own limitation. Yung sasabihin nyo na hanggang dito lang talaga kaya ko, hanggang dito lang ang budget ko, hanggang dito lang kakilala ko, hanggang dito lang ang kaya ko maging independent, hanggang dito lang ako sa stage na to, you have to go beyond that. And the only way is to have a right thinking. You should have the belief and faith in the Almighty God. Because there may be a lot of religion, but the only thing that they really want us to do is to be guided properly in accordance to the good will of God. And so, be guided by the core values. This will make you a whole person. You will be much more help to the community, to the team, and to the country. Pagbuo sa loob mo ang pagkatao mo at kilala mo talaga ang sarili mo, mas malakas ka na tao. So build yourself first before building anything else, and we will be strong as a nation together. Reway Philippines, number 1.